Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. As you know that we are doing our grammar portion, so today we are going to solve or do a paragraph on Nawab Sadiq. So let's start, but before that we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Wednesday 13th January 2021. Our subject is English grammar and I already explained that we are going to do or write a paragraph on Nawab Sadiq. So whether you will write paragraph by yourself, I am just gonna give you information on Nawab Sadiq. So let's start. Who was Nawab Sadiq? This is the picture of Nawab Sadiq, as you can see here. Okay. So Nawab Sir Sadiq Muhammad Khan Abbasi Fifth, the last ruler of the second largest Muslim state of Indo-Pak subcontinent that lasted for 230 years from 1725 to 1955, was born on September 30, 1904. He was born on September 30, 1904. Okay, so this was the introduction of Nawab Sadiq. What comes to your mind when you look at this picture? What is this? So it will be helpful for you to understand the picture. I know that many of you already know this picture. Obviously, it is Nur Mahal. He was declared the head of the state on May 15th, 1907. In March 1924, a ceremony of coronation was held at Nur Mahal, Bahawalpur, and he was crowned by His Highness Lord Reading, then Viceroy of India, and was granted absolute authority. He was become prince or declared prince in 1924, okay, in March, and he was very young at that time. Now move to the next one. What is this? If you haven't visited yet, then you must go and visit the Central Library of Bahawalpur. So you can understand from the picture that this is the picture of Central Library of Bahawalpur. On the occasion of coronation, the foundation stone of Sadiq Reading Library was laid. It is called Central Library now and is the second largest library of Punjab. Okay, our library of Bahawalpur is the second largest library of Punjab. Now, what is the next one? Okay, what is this? This is High Court of Bahawalpur. And what happened here? Nawab Sadiq Kira was famous for justice, good administrative system, and prosperity. Special steps were taken for the health and safety of the public. The Bahawalpur state was rich in resources. He did not let Sikhs cross the river Satluj and laid foundation of Pakistan at the same day. Bahawalpur state was the first state to declare Ahmadis non-Muslim in 1935. This is honor of Bahawalpur that Ahmadis were considered non-Muslim in Bahawalpur High Court in 1935. This is the honor of Bahawalpur. He was true Muslim and real follower of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and was blessed with religious passion. He laid the foundation of society based on justice, equity, tolerance, and equality, where even the minorities also enjoyed their due rights and freedom of worship. That's why you can see many temples and churches in Bahawalpur as well. He still rules the hearts of people of Bahawalpur, and he not only affiliated the state with Pakistan but presented his everything to the homeland too. Okay, what is this? Bahawal Victoria Hospital at the time of its commencement used to provide free medical facilities not only for the state public but also the people of adjoining districts of British India, Balochistan and Sindh. This is the picture of Bahawalpur Victoria Hospital. Okay, what is the next achievement of Nawab Sadiq? As you can see here, this is a picture of SPS. You all know about SPS school. The greatest achievement of Nawab Sir Sadiq Muhammad Khan was to establish a boarding school Sadiq Public School on the pattern of Hsn College, Lahore. He not only provided financial support but also donated a wide and large agricultural land for it. This is the only institution of its kind where the focus was laid on imparting education along with the training and character building. And it is also said that at a time of its inauguration, it was the biggest school in Asia. In the last, he died in London on May  24th, 1966, when he was only 62 years of age. He ruled Bahawalpur for 59 years. He was buried at Dirawa Fort in Bahawalpur. Local holiday is observed in Bahawalpur on his death anniversary every year. This is the picture of Dirawa Fort where he is resting now. So this was Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan, was a very wise and noble person. As you can see, I have told you this is the shortest history I am telling you. He has done a lot for the Pakistan and obviously for people of Bahawalpur as well. Now you have to write a paragraph on Nawab Sadiq. Minimum you will write 150 paragraph of 150 words. 100 to 150 words. Okay, I'm giving you an option that you can write a paragraph of 100 to 150 words on Nawab Sadiq. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any kind of problem, you know how to contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.